Marketing Crash Course, Search Engine Optimization, SEO. Introduction. In the world of digital marketing, search engine optimization, SEO, plays a crucial role in driving online visibility and improving website rankings. It is a strategy that focuses on optimizing websites to rank higher in search engine result pages, SERPs, and attract organic traffic. Let's dive into the key concepts and techniques of SEO to enhance your understanding of this important marketing discipline. Chapter 1. Understanding SEO. SEO is the process of improving a website's visibility in search engines. It involves understanding how search engines work, the factors that influence rankings, and the behavior of online users. By gaining insights into the fundamentals of SEO, you can develop effective strategies to increase your website's online presence. Example story: The power of SEO. Imagine a small business owner who wants to expand their customer base and reach a wider audience. By implementing SEO techniques, such as optimizing their website content, conducting keyword research, and building high-quality backlinks, they were able to improve their search rankings. As a result, their website gained more visibility, attracting increased organic traffic and generating higher conversions. Chapter 2. On-Page SEO Techniques. On-Page SEO focuses on optimizing elements within a website to improve its search engine visibility. This includes optimizing page titles, meta descriptions, headings, URLs, and content. By aligning these elements with relevant keywords and providing valuable information, you can enhance the user experience and increase the likelihood of ranking higher in search results. Chapter 3. Off-Page SEO Techniques. Off-page SEO refers to activities that take place outside of your website but contribute to its overall visibility and authority. This includes building high-quality backlinks from reputable sources, engaging in social media promotion, and fostering relationships with influencers and industry experts. Off-page SEO techniques help establish your website's credibility and increase its chances of ranking well in search engines. Top 12 SEO Techniques. 1. Keyword research and optimization. 2. Creating high-quality, relevant content. 3. Optimizing meta tags and descriptions. 4. Improving website loading speed. 5. Optimizing URL structure. 6. Building high-quality backlinks. 7. Enhancing user experience and site navigation. 8. Utilizing social media for promotion. 9. Implementing schema markup for rich snippets. 10. Optimizing for mobile devices. 11. Monitoring and analyzing website performance. 12. Staying updated with algorithm changes and industry trends. Summary. Search engine optimization, SEO, is a critical aspect of digital marketing, enabling businesses to improve their online visibility and attract organic traffic. By understanding the key concepts and implementing effective techniques, you can enhance your website's search rankings and drive valuable results. Remember to stay updated with the latest industry trends and continuously analyze and optimize your SEO strategies to achieve long-term success. Poem. In the digital realm, SEO's power unfurls. Driving visibility, ranking higher in SERPs. With on-page and off-page techniques combined, we optimize websites, a marketing design. Song. Verse 1. In the world of marketing, SEO prevails. Driving visibility, our strategy sales. Keywords and content, we optimize with care. Improving search rankings, our website's flair. Chorus. SEO, the path to online success. Optimizing websites, we aim to impress. On page and off page, we pave the way. Increasing visibility, day by day. Verse 2. Meta tags and URLs, we craft with precision. User experience, our ultimate mission. Backlinks and social media, building our brand. SEO techniques, creating a demand. Chorus. SEO, the path to online success. Optimizing websites, we aim to impress. On page and off page, we pave the way. Increasing visibility, day by day. Bridge. Keyword research, a treasure to find. High-quality content, capturing the mind. Mobile-friendly and fast loading, a website's delight. SEO Techniques, shining so bright. Chorus. SEO, the path to online success. Optimizing websites, we aim to impress. On page and off page, we pave the way. Increasing visibility, day by day. Outro. In the realm of digital marketing, we strive to master SEO and make our websites thrive. With knowledge and practice, we'll reach new heights. SEO's wonders, a constant delight. Asterisk 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 Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?I. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.